Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So as I have read by the title, today we're going to be doing a makeup look and this time it's going to be a Halloween makeup look. So I had done a Halloween makeup look earlier for the last year's Halloween, and I had done a solitaire cards inspired makeup last time. So this time I had put up a poll on my Instagram account between two looks. I'll put the picture somewhere here. So I was confused between these two looks, and both of them were really different and were really Halloween-ish. So I thought, why not try one of these two? So I had put up a poll on Instagram, and the majority was for this makeup look, and also even I had a little bit of inclination towards this makeup look. So as you've seen in my earlier videos how I do my base and all that, I won't be showing that over here. I'll be just showing the Halloween makeup look. I'll finish off my whole base, which is the foundation, concealer and all that, and I'll just do the eyeshadow and eyeliner and lipstick on the camera. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm done with my base, and as you can see, it's the normal base which I usually do. So yeah, as I showed you earlier, I'll be doing this makeup look, and for this you have one eye as red eyeshadow and another eye as blue eyeshadow. That's what I'll be doing, and also there is this yellow color angel kind of ring on top of this eye. So for that I'll be using a yellow color, and I don't have white eyeliner which she has used in the makeup look picture. I'm just gonna put yellow color eyeshadow first and then just make a white color ring with white color eyeshadow. As for the horns over here, I'm gonna use red color lipstick because it won't come as precise with red color eyeshadow, as well as the devil's tail. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the eyes. And for the lips, I'm gonna just keep it mostly I will do a nude color lipstick, or I'll make my lips into half and put a red color and blue color on each side. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for this makeup look, and it's gonna be really simple one, but it will also look more Halloween-ish. So yeah, I guess I'll be doing so much for this makeup look, and let's get started. So that is it for this makeup look. I hope you like the way it turned out. It turned out really Halloween-ish and I liked it a lot. So this is the devil side and this is the angel side. And also, as you saw, the lipstick, I made the blue color with eyeshadow and the red color with the actual lipstick. So this is how it looks finally. So now I will change and I'll be back. So I'm back. I've changed and I've worn a white color dress because if I wear something red or blue, then I'll be taking one side and I don't have anything which is red and blue. So I thought, why not wear a white dress and make the makeup pop rather than the dress being the highlight. So yes, this is how the makeup looks and I hope you liked this makeup session. I really enjoyed this makeup session and I did a makeup video after a really long time. So I felt like I didn't know how to do makeup and I did makeup really after a really long time. Otherwise, I really don't do makeup when I'm at home. So yeah, this is how the makeup turned out and I feel it looks really poppy and really Halloweenish. And I've paired this with white color rose earrings. Yeah, that is it for this video. I will attach the pictures in the next video. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the makeup session. And this is this year's Halloween makeup look and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again in another video. Bye.